Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is James. Today I'm going to be working on a flat panel TV that has a disruption in the corner. It took a hit from who knows where, but the components in it are still good. I'm going to salvage those. I am going to post them on my eBay channel, which is listed at Flatlander3. That is Flatlander3 on eBay. You can take a look at it and you'll see the components, some of the other items I have for sale. I appreciate the view on it. Let's get into this. I'll show you what the TV looks like now, what the components are going to look like once I pull them out. Here's where the TV took a hit. I don't know if they got upset with the video game or what it did, but it damaged it. The rest of the screen was functional. It did put some cracks across the bottom. You can see through here as it is. I'll flip it over and show you what I'm going to take apart and the components in it. So as you can see, here's the back of the panel of the TV. I've already undone the screws and have disassembled some. I'm going to show you what the inside of this looks like. Here are the components. This right here is the power board. Here's a panel for controlling the lighting on the TV itself. This is the panel board for the panel itself that was broken. This is the input card that controls all the different inputs. It has 3 HDMIs, 2 USBs, an antenna, and 1 composite unit. I believe most of these Roku TVs on panel parts, and depending on the particular type of model year it is, it's a 2017 model, I believe some of these input cards are interchangeable. Power supplies are pretty standard for the Roku unit. You'll have to do some research on it. There is some numbers up here that tell you exactly what they are. And all the cabling is included on the input card. Everything that's connected here to them, you can see where they go. All those cables will go with it. The ribbons for the panel will go with it. The power cord will go with the power board itself. Hey, thanks for stopping in and looking. And I can't tell you, all of you, I appreciate you taking a view of my channels, all the videos I've been doing and everything. It's much appreciated. I hope some of the things that I'm doing are showing you DIY and sharing some life experiences. It's a great time for all. Thanks. Come back and see me again. I really appreciate it. Have a great day.